So this is it, week 3. I'm back in the woods, of course, for this big reveal. That's right, in just a few seconds you are going to find out what I have been creating for the Battle of the Stitches. And I can't wait to show you. The big reveal of the Battle of the Stitches is coming right after this. 5 creators, 1 crochet stitch, unlimited creativity. This is Battle of the Stitches. Hey there, and welcome back to the Totally Fierce Crochet channel. Today is the day, the big reveal of the Battle of the Stitches. We are just seconds away to find out what I have been making, and I can't wait to put it out because it is freaking cold out here. So are you ready? Shall I put it out? So my project for this Battle of the Stitches is something that I always wanted to make but haven't yet until now. It is a beautiful hooded scarf. That's right. I know I'm getting serious Little Red Riding Hood vibes right now, especially out here in the woods, but it's made completely with our rocking stitch. It has a beautiful hood in the back. I hope you can see it. I just want to put it on like this, and the hood works perfectly in this weather. You can leave it open like this. Now I'm getting really serious Little Red Riding Hood vibes, but of course you can always just wrap it around with or without the hood. My nose was dripping. Sorry. I'm just obsessed how beautiful our rocking stitch works with this kind of a project. It's a bit more lacy because I used a bigger hook, but definitely oh so pretty and cozy. Perfect for a day like this in the woods. But then I was like, is that enough? How can I top this? And what can I say? When the head is warm, how about we make our hands warm as well with these super fun fingerless mittens. They are worked in one piece, or they are worked in one go, and they work just perfectly for the overall look. So it's a full ensemble, the full Little Red Riding Hood ensemble, the hooded scarf and the mittens for you, my friends. So, what do you think? How did I perform in this Battle of the Stitches? I don't know. I'm absolutely obsessed with what I made, and now I can't wait to see what all the other creators have been making for this Battle of the Stitches with our beautiful rocking stitch. And I hope you are too, because now the power shifts to you, because you get to decide who is going to win the Battle of the Stitches. So make sure to check out all the projects from all the 5 creators. I will put all the links of the creators again in the description, but of course you will find them also in my community tab. And speaking of the community tab, you will also find a voting poll. So after you have checked out what all the 5 creators have made for this Battle of the Stitches, go to the community tab either on my channel or on the other creators' channels. Vote for your favorite project, because your vote decides who of us will win the Battle of the Stitches. But that's not all. If you comment also on that voting poll, you get an entry for the giveaway. The project that receives the most votes will be given away for free for you, for one lucky winner. So if you want to win the winning design, make sure to place a comment under the community tab poll. I wish you good luck. I hope you win. Maybe it's my project, maybe it's someone else's project. Who can say? May the best creator win. And of course, you will not only get the full tutorial for this fabulous Little Red Riding Hood hooded scarf, but of course also for those super awesome fingerless mittens. I will split the tutorials up, so later today you will get the hooded scarf tutorial first, and then on Saturday you get the tutorial for the mittens. And this is going to be a special version, or let me just say, this is going to be Santa's version of the fingerless mittens. And I will see you back again in the next tutorials, and until then, happy crocheting, have fun checking out all the Battle of the Stitches projects, and I'll see you soon. Bye! And now it gets colder and darker out here, so I better get going home and warm up. But I'm just happy that I got my hooded scarf and my mittens, because otherwise it really is super freezing out here. So time to go home for some hot chocolate and cuddles with Holly. Bye! So I am back at my car, and I completely forgot to tell you one more important thing, and that is that next week is going to be the big live. So all 5 creators will be coming together live for the very first time, and it's also going to be my very first live session ever. So please be nice. And I hope that I will see you all there when we then chat about our projects and about us, and you also get to know us a little bit better. And of course we are also going to determine who wins the Battle of the Stitches, and of course we will pick one lucky winner who will also then win the winning project. So mark your calendars, save the date, next Wednesday, 11 Central Eastern Time. I hope that was correct, but I'm pretty sure you are also going to find it in our post or in the voting poll. So I can't wait to see you there. Bye!